We need to clear this moss before we can scan the hull.
Agreed. The corrosion is worse than expected.
The laser scan confirms severe panel degradation here. We're looking at deep pitting underneath this layer.
All right, let's mark that for immediate replacement.
Look at this. It's incredible. It's beautiful.
A true time capsule.
Look at the extent of the corrosion here on the controls. We'll need a full replacement.
Yes, and the structural integrity of the floor is completely compromised.
Slow it down, bring it up just a foot more. We need that rail secure before it comes down.
Slow and steady on the winch.
Copy that, senior engineer. Keep it moving.
The structural integrity around the windows is compromised. We'll start the assessment here.
Understood. Let's get the laser scanner ready.
Check the tolerances on the crankshaft, make sure it matches the diagram.
Got it. I'll double check the specs now.
The sandblasting process is critical. It strips away decades of corrosion, preparing the surface for the next stage of restoration.
Bring it down slowly. We need to align the hinge before we secure the panel.
Everything checks out on the panel. Smooth as silk.
Ready for the main line, wouldn't you say?